virtual Competition to Collaboration is a professionally facilitated activity-based workshop designed to engage participants in team collaboration and organizational synergy.
In this workshop, we're going to engage in a two-part activity that's going to highlight the benefits of both competition and collaboration when it comes to individual success and the pillars of high-performing teams.
Utilizing a virtual meeting platform and taking advantage of breakout rooms, this session will initially have participants working on a challenging subgroup initiative, which incorporates strategy, decision-making, and time management, as you must make decisions in 15-second increments.
So, one of the keys we've established so far is that the default to compete is so strong because it has served us so well in the past. Yet that same competitive nature may override those times when collaboration should be the thing to do as it pertains to organizational success.
The game is initially competitive in nature and is designed to determine the highest scoring teams while also showcasing the entire group average and median.
R5. I think it goes right here. What do you think?
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay, now that you've established an average and a median, here is your new goal. Right here at halftime, let's operate and think as one organization.
Now that the benchmark has been set, the new identified goal is collaborative in nature. Lessons and learning experiences are shared amongst the entire group in an effort to bring sub-team results and the associated group average to the highest possible levels.
Before we embark on the next round, let's cross-share best practices amongst all of the subgroups based on what everyone learned from that initial experience. Then we'll knock those scores out of the park and celebrate our collaborative success.
We're making decisions faster than we did last time. We struggled with decision making.
After this discussion on key insights and shared suggestions for improvement, the group is formed into new sub-teams and sent to virtual breakout rooms for the second and final round. This synergistic approach highlights the positive results of sharing best practices and has a powerful message of one-team collaboration while celebrating the success of our colleagues.
The workplace application of the list of key collaborative lessons that you've just created is going to be one of the pillars for your one-team organizational success.